What's going on YouTube? It's your boy KJ De Niro, and I got a cool video for y'all today. So today we're gonna do some DIY stuff, and I'm gonna make some tie-dye socks. So earlier we had went to the store and had bought a few, Nike or long Nike socks and a few just regular Nike socks, casual white socks. And I'm gonna just tie dye all of them and then see how the way they come out. And I'm gonna record the process, obviously. You can find, honestly, this whole little thing, like this little kit, the little tie-dye kit was cheap. You can find that around. I ain't gonna give y'all, you feel me, where I got it from, but I got it from Michael's though, honestly. But you can get, you feel me, they got more, different colors, all type of stuff. All right, I'm finna get into it. All right, for me personally, I'm gonna do the blue and the green, well, the blue and the orange. Okay. Then you flip it over, same side. I ain't gonna lie, this messy as hell. Like I wasn't expecting it to be this messy, but okay. This one, oh snap. All right. And for this one, this one. Just cool as hell. I feel like a little kid in art class. Okay. You can cut the video. All right, so we got the first pair of socks done. They look pretty decent. If I don't, if I do say so myself. I'm more so excited to see how they're gonna come out afterwards. So for this one, oops, I'm gonna do red. Orange. And then blue for the last color. Why not? Okay. Okay, let's turn it over. Do the same process, repeat. This is messy as hell. Okay, and now, you feel me, we're gonna put it in the Ziploc bag so the colors can lock in, and we're gonna let it sit for like an hour or two, and then we're gonna come back to everything, obviously. And then I'm gonna do this last one, and then I'm gonna show y'all the results for everything at the end, and like obviously the other ones I do at the end. Just give me like green apple vibes. I don't know. The Joker, a Cosmo and Wanda. put this one in the ziploc. I ain't gonna lie, this color remind me of like, it was some LeBrons that my homie had, and they was like this same color, like a raspberry and a green. So like, I'm really excited about these socks, I ain't gonna lie. But this is all the socks we did so far. Alright, so we got all the socks, we finna rinse them all off. You see this one, how the way it turned out. It looks pretty cool to me, if I can say so myself. We're gonna rinse them out so all the color can drain. We can get all the excess liquid out. This is a vital step in this process of doing DIY. You gotta rinse out the sock until it's no more until it's like no more dye.
The next day.
What's going on, YouTube? So it's basically 24 hours and I'm gonna show y'all how the socks came out and just how everything looking. I just got the drugs out the dryer, and they look pretty cool. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, this is probably my favorite one. I really like the colors on each sock. And I'm just happy how the way they came out. I feel like my girl socks better than mine as far as like color wise, but I ain't gonna lie, out of like all the socks, this probably my favorite, and then it's probably most definitely this one. And you see you still got some white still left in it, because we didn't like tie dye like the full entire sock, we just tie dyed like some of it. But I'm not gonna lie, I most definitely do this again. Though this has most definitely been a cool experiment. I got more videos and content on the way, man. Just stay, tuned. Keep subbing to me, keep liking, keep sharing, and you already know we just gonna keep going up. And that's just how it is. Keep putting in that work, keep putting in that grind. Everything is guaranteed to pay off. But until next time, YouTube, peace out.